Hello friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram update problem on your Android device. So before we get started, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon for latest Android tips videos on your device. So without spending much time, let's get started. The first thing I would like to say is why we need Instagram update in your device. It's because Instagram is to give new features on every updates, so there are some people who are not able to use new features on their Instagram account because they don't used to get Instagram update. So I will show you how to fix the problem to get new features on your Instagram account by the Instagram update. So so it's very easy and simple. I'll show you. First thing is, there are two steps how to fix Instagram update problem. The first step is go to settings, and then go to apps, go to manage apps. You can see the second option, manage apps, and you need to find Instagram here. You need to find Instagram here. So you can see here is it, Instagram. So you just need to clear your Instagram data and re-login in with your Instagram account so that you may find new features on your Instagram, or you may get new update on Instagram in your Google Play Store. So that is the first steps. So the second step is you can simply uninstall your Instagram application and you can re-download it from Google Play Store so that you will find new update and new features on your Instagram account. So that's it. It's really simple and easy to do. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching the video.